Get on my spot.
Oh. What's going on, guys? My name is Bryce Chandler.
I didn't do that smooth at all. And I'm Drew Reinhardt.
And welcome to Culture Shock.
Welcome to Culture Shock.
Okay, so it's been a while.
Clearly been a while.
What's going on, guys? My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt, and welcome to Culture Shock.
Guess what?
What?
It's also our first anniversary of Culture Shock.
1 year, here we go! We are going to honor this episode with another spicy challenge. Our 1 year anniversary episode with a spicy challenge. It's gonna blow my booty hole to another dimension.
I don't know if you guys remember, but roll the clip. Oh God, I gotta go. Bro, there you go. There you go.
Crying?
No, I'm not crying. So yeah,
I'm literally going to release Satan's portal from my ass.
So anyway, we met up with, obviously, a couple of our crew members out in California. JC, Dom, Dylan, Will, our new cool friends.
We got to go to the Post Malone concert with them.
Yes, sir.
And we gotta go to Poppy. Trouble. Thank you guys again for following along with us for this entire year. We are just so blessed that we have made it this far. It's just two guys that are a couple of jackasses that just film everything and capture whatever we can and bring it to you guys.
Without further ado, let us get into the episode.
1 year, here we go!
This is fun. And they're also gonna be eating some hot ass wings.
Oh yeah. Oh, are you? What's going on, guys? My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt, and welcome to Culture Shock.
So on today's episode, what we're gonna be doing is a spicy challenge. Ole, 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 ole.
Spicy challenge. We're gonna go to Dave's Hot Chicken.
Yeah, recommended by our good friend Dominic DeAngelis. He's on YouTube as well. Check out his channel. We're excited, nervous. What do you feel?
Apparently people have died. Oh hell no! We're gonna eat it with the guys, and we'll see who joins us.
We'll see who joins us. I don't know who's gonna actually do it. So you know, we're a culture shocking channel, and this is definitely gonna be
a culture shocking experience. You might have seen us before eat some hot stuff.
Yeah. First episode,
yeah. And we're not going to back down from this challenge, even though we have to sign our lives away.
And we're going to do it right before the Post Malone concert.
Yeah, so I'm going to have bubble guts the whole time.
Let's do it.
Alright. Alright, well, I just signed my life away. We got the Reaper at Dave's Hot Chicken. Dom and JC told us to get this, and I didn't know that I was gonna die tonight, so.
Somebody at the register said that they had to pay him to do this, and we're just doing it for content. If this is our last episode,
It's been fun, guys.
I hope you enjoy it. Dude, I'm actually really like, it's the devil in the backseat. Is that the one?
Hold on, don't bite yet. This is the death wish.
Oh wait, let's see.
I'll try it. Let's do it. I've done 800 Scovilles. I've called Satan's Blood. It's 800. 800 Scovilles. I've done this one before.
Okay.
Oh shit!
And I almost died. I'm not even
Well, I got this maybe what three months ago, and this is how much you use.
Are you in this?
Yeah.
We're so
Oscar films.
Alright.
Okay, cool.
We're only taking like one bite, right?
If it's good, I'll finish my whole half.
Did you hear this?
To be honest, this shit looks pretty fire.
Gil, are you eating it?
Yeah, it's about to taste like it.
No, dude.
Freaking countdown or
Oh
something.
shit,
Yeah,
just go.
go.
Alright, ready?
Welcome to Culture Shock.
3,
Hold on.
2.
Dude, where the leg? Okay. Alright.
Go, just go.
He's so hungry. It's like it's so good. Oh no.
Wait, that's the Reaper?
Dude, you gotta eat half. You took it.
I really
Watch out, there's lettuce on your fingers.
Oh no.
Is it?
This is bad.
Is it?
Oh,
Yeah, who invited me up?
I'm so sick of love songs.
okay. Hold on. There it is.
I'm not trying it.
What?
This is bad.
I'm not trying, guys.
Who recommended this?
Bro, zoom into that.
All right.
It's not a joke. I gave him the other side.
He ate the
Oh,
We got another contestant.
yo, you're nuts.
No shame.
That's a manly man right there.
It looks like the $1 shave commercial.
Do not touch your face. Do not touch your eyes.
I know.
That's gonna
I've watched
suck.
that once.
Careful around your eyes.
Oh. Isn't that a bad idea?
Right done. You're honestly sweating. Right now.
Let's go.
It's not that bad.
It's bad.
Anybody want a shot to wash it down?
No.
That's
He
hard,
shot
bro.
him down.
Open your mouth.
Oh!
That's a bad idea.
Neo gets crazy.
Miss Independent.
Oh, are you?
Where's all the waters at?
How you feeling,
That's a
bro?
terrible idea. I'm about to go see Post Malone in like 10 minutes.
We're good.
Suck it, bro.
Yo, another one? Yo, he's doing another one.
Whose donuts are these?
Oh!
Yo, hey, who wants
Wow.
Shut the hell up,
Let's
man.
do it on.
Shut
Yo.
up.
What is that?
He's doing the other one. Yo, Will. Will.
Still the hotter one.
Take it.
All right.
Don't take one. I have no idea. Oh, this is a bad one. Here.
Come on, what? I'm dead.
Be a YouTuber, they said.
Yeah, I know, right? I quit. All right, I'll just say one more thing.
So Dave's hot chicken. It's pretty good.
I'm dying.
Oh my god, the mic's not on.
Really?
Oh, shit.
Wait, you're kidding. I was joking.
Oh.
Dude, I don't know why the hell we do that to ourselves.
That was so painful to watch.
No, honestly, that it makes no sense why we like do that to ourselves.
Be a YouTuber, they said. Okay, here's the thing, everybody. Every time that we go to any kind of place that has to do with wings or anything spicy, this guy is the first person on the counter, and he's just like, yeah. You're the first person up to the counter. I'll take the hottest stuff you got. My name is Drew Reinhardt, and I have a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you meant like eating and like that counter. I was like, we want to say thank you so much
We
for
want to
following
say
along.
thank you so much for following along.
We hope you enjoyed this other spicy challenge. We hope you enjoyed this little road trip that we did. We have many more to come.
Yeah.
We have some pretty exciting stuff actually coming out.
So it's been a crazy year, guys. I am so in love with this process. I think that that's really important to say because a lot of times people, you know, it's hard to trust the process, but as long as you're in love with what you're doing, I think that it's such a beautiful journey that we've been on. We've met so many amazing people. We've collaborated with so many amazing businesses. We've collaborated with so many different creatives. The Down Market, Sounds of Summer, just to name a few, a bunch of different restaurants. And you know, I think that when we started this journey, we didn't really expect all the people that we've worked with to really interact with us and be such an impact in our lives. So I just think that, you know, no matter the views, no matter the growth of the personal channel, I'm just thankful for the actual connections that we've made along this journey. And I am so excited to see all the different people that we get to meet for year 2.
Yep. Wow, you actually did it.
Yeah.
You did 2 paragraphs.
Yeah, that was 2 paragraphs,
You
no
made it.
script.
Can't thank you guys enough for following. We hope that you go check out these locations. If you do go check out these locations, not if, go check out these locations. And when you go check out these locations, be sure to tag Culture Shock. Be sure to comment. Be sure to like. Be sure to subscribe.
Yeah, you got it all.
I did.
Wow.
I did it. I don't know what to say. Bryce took a trip to Boston. I took a trip to Lake Tahoe. So we're doing an East versus West. We're also doing a Boston trip because we both went out together. And we have a special artist named Radix, literally
Radix.
named after
Cameron Diaz.
Cameron Diaz's little baby.
You're welcome.
popped out. That
But
again, thank you guys. Thank you guys again.
thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys again. Can't thank you guys enough. Thanks, guys.
Thank you again for tuning in. My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt, and you've been culture shocked. Mother.